Hi. I am Neil Farah. Today, I am going to teach you how to enter data into cells in Google Sheets. Entering data into cells in Google Sheets is straightforward. Select the cell where you want to enter the data. You can click on a specific cell or use the arrow keys to navigate to the desired cell. Once you have selected the cell, start typing to enter your data. You can enter text, numbers, dates, or other types of information. After entering the data, press Enter/Return on your keyboard, or use the arrow keys to move to another cell. The data you entered will be saved in the selected cell. If you need to edit the data in a cell, double-click on the cell to activate the editing mode, or select the cell and press F2 on your keyboard. You can then make changes to the existing data. If you want to enter the same data into multiple cells, you can use the fill handle. Enter the data in one cell, then click and drag the small blue square in the bottom right corner of the selected cell to fill adjacent cells with the same data. The fill handle can also be used to create a series of numbers, dates, or other patterns. Additionally, you can copy and paste data between cells. Select the cells containing the data you want to copy. Right-click and choose Copy, then right-click on the target location and select Paste. You can also use the keyboard shortcuts Ctrl+C, Command+C on Mac, to copy and Ctrl+V, Command+V on Mac, to paste. Remember that Google Sheets supports various formatting options, formulas, and functions to manipulate and analyze your data further. You can apply formatting styles, perform calculations, and use functions to automate tasks within your spreadsheet. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button.